channel and welcome back to another vlog. And so today's just gonna be like a very just like casual day in. As you guys saw this morning, I made some breakfast. Me and my dad, we kind of made breakfast at the same time and it was so delicious. It's one of like my favorite breakfasts to like ever make. It definitely takes like a while to like chop up everything and prep it and then cook it and everything like that, so I don't make it that often, but when I do make it, it is so good, 10 out of 10. But yeah, we are just kind of staying home today. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I just feel like, at least for my family, the holidays are just always very relaxed and we just kind of like take a break and enjoy at like a little slower pace. Today I'm just gonna kind of keep it, like I said, super simple. I have some remote work to do and then I also want to do just other work like editing and things like that for like my book Instagram and then for my channel, TikTok, things like that. So kind of just like a content day, but also like doing work as well. So yeah, that is today's vlog. But before we get into it, I want to do a little haul for you guys. So imethod Beauty sent me some liner, so I want to do a little haul for you guys. I did do a little tutorial and tryout on the eyeliner that I'm wearing right now, so I'm going to be playing that clip like right after I do this haul for you guys, but I wanted to share with you guys the product first. So like I said, this is from imethod Beauty and you guys have probably seen this already. So they kind of went viral with their eyebrow stamp, if you guys saw that, where it was like a stencil and then like you stamp on the like product for your eyebrows. And I never purchased that just because my eyebrows are already super full already, like they're already filled in, so I just feel like it wouldn't really like do anything for my brows. But they have liner, which I didn't know about, and I'm so excited to like share it with you guys. Like I said, it's the liner that I'm wearing right now. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then I just got the shade black, but when you open it, it comes with two eyeliners. If I could get them out. Okay, here we go. So it comes with two eyeliners. So you get a felt tip on one end and then the other side is like the wing stamp, so it's like the outside of the wing, so you just like stamp it on, which is really cool. So you get a left one and then you get a right one, because obviously the wing is going to be different like on each side, so you get two of them. Like I said, one with like the felt tip and then the other side is the stamp. So I feel like it was such a creative idea and it makes doing your liner a lot quicker. But yeah, this is what the liner looks like. But if you guys want to see how I used the imethod liners and how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I have my makeup on and now we're going to be trying out the eyeliner, and I'm really excited for this. I have not used like a liquid liner in a really long time. Anytime I have like a wing on my face, I have been using just like eyeshadow, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm really excited to try this out. Here we go. So I'm going to be using the right one first. Yeah, okay, so we have the stamp right here. So I guess I have my mirror right in front of me, so hopefully you can still kind of see the angle that I'm going to be doing this at. I guess I'm trying to like think, yeah, it would go like that, right? So I guess it's going to be like right. So it looks like that. Okay, not bad. And I think any part that like didn't get filled in with the stamp, we can use like the other side, like the felt tip side. So let's go ahead and line my top lash line. Oh wow, that line, like this is like a very, very thin, thin line. Okay. Okay, so I did my top lash line with this, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in where the stamp like didn't fully get, which is just a little bit at the bottom, and then I'm gonna kind of cross and like connect the stamp to my line. Okay, that's what that looks like. I don't I feel like the line is a little too high up. Like, I prefer the wing to like be more this way, but that's just because I placed the like liner in the wrong spot. But I love how easy that was. Like, it took off so much pressure. Okay, I'm gonna try the left eye now. So I'm gonna make sure I have the left, yep, I have the left side. That's what that one looks like. Okay, yeah, I like this wing a little bit better. I put the stamp closer to my eye so it's not as long as this one is, but we can go ahead and fix that when we are like filling it in on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and start lining this eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and connect the wing with the line and kind of that's what that looks like. So this one is definitely higher up and more, these do not match at all. I need to fix this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the stamp again on this eye because I didn't get the best one. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh, I just made that worse. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna do some magic behind the scenes and use the like felt tip to clean this up and to make this match so it looks better. Okay, so that took a lot less time than I thought it was gonna be to clean it up. I literally just took the like felt side and just kind of connected the wing to the top lash line like a little bit more and kind of filled it in and made the wing be a little bit longer, and now I think they match pretty good. I honestly feel like no wing ever matches. Like, you can never get them to be matched perfectly. I definitely think this one is a little higher up than this one. Like, this wing like goes up more this way and this wing just kind of like goes out, but I feel like if you're just kind of like looking, you're not gonna really like notice a difference, you know? But I do really like the way that those look. And then obviously once I put my mascara on, I feel like you literally will not be able to tell, but like I think they're still super similar. Like, I'm not mad about it. Like, I think they look good. I think they look good. This is so weird to see me with winged liner because I have not worn like liquid liner in literally years. It's been so long. And this used to be like my thing in high school and like early college. I was like the girl who always had winged liner, and then I kind of just like stopped doing it. So now it's like weird to see it on my face again, but I honestly really like it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, just mascara, and then I'm gonna go ahead and share my final thoughts with you guys on the liner. So mascara is on. So this is the completed makeup look using the imethod eyeliner. I really like it. Like I said, it's weird to see me in like such thick liquid liner because I haven't worn it in so long, but it's really funny because I was like, I kind of want to go back to that, and then they reached out to me and sent this to me, so like timing was like a perfect. But yeah, I really like it. I definitely want to keep using it and keep playing around with it. I feel like it's a very smart idea to like save time, because I know there's been time when I literally have spent 20-30 minutes undoing my liner, and this probably took like less than 5 minutes to do it. Some people can do it in like 2 seconds. Like, it's all just about the way that you do it and how much practice you have and experience. But yeah, overall I really liked it. It really helped eliminate like the long process, because like I said, I've literally have spent like 20-30 minutes on winged liner before, and this was obviously way quicker, so that's a plus. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep trying these out and testing them out. So if you guys have used any of them, let me know your thoughts down below because I'm really intrigued. But you guys, my room is like an absolute mess. It's chaos. I really need to clean it. Okay, we're gonna put that chair back. My room is so messy. Oh my gosh, this is so unlike me. But I wanted to do a little book update for you guys. I'm not going to go too in depth because I'm going to start doing like monthly recap videos, but I finished Firefly Lane. If you watched a couple vlogs back, I was reading this, and then I also last night finished The Holiday Swap. Both such good books. I rated both of them 5 out of 5 stars. Firefly Lane is a TV show on Netflix, but I 100% liked this book way better. Like, the book made me cry, where the show, I don't think, like, the book is very long, where the show hasn't gotten to the ending of this book yet, so I don't really know what is going to happen with the show. If it's going to follow like the ending of this book, I don't know yet. I know season 2 is coming out shortly, so I definitely want to watch season 2 and like compare the two and see if like they end up following the book. And then The Holiday Swap was such a good book. It was just so cute and like romantic, kind of cheesy, but I really liked it. And so I feel like if you like Hallmark like holiday movies, this is literally a holiday Hallmark movie like in book form. Loved it. It was so good. But yeah, I just wanted to briefly touch up on the books that I read because I really enjoyed both of them, which is great because I've been kind of like in a reading slump, and so the past 3 books that I've read have totally taken me out of the reading slump, but now I don't have any books, you guys. I was determined to like not buy any new books until I've finished my like to be read list, because for a while I had like 7-8 books that I hadn't read yet, but I kept buying new books, and then finally I was like, okay, let's read everything until I buy a new book. But with Black Friday coming up, I figured I would just wait a couple of days, and then hopefully the deals on books will be good so I can buy a couple. So that's where I'm at right now. But as far as the rest of today goes, I think I'm gonna have some lunch right now. I think I'm just gonna make like a sandwich and then just kind of do some more remote work and then read a little bit, do some content, things like that. Just like a very casual day, but also like kind of productive at the same time, being at home. My mom was working from home right now, my dad is golfing, so I'm just kind of keeping myself entertained while I'm home. But I'm really excited for tomorrow since it's Thanksgiving. Even though I don't really like Thanksgiving, unpopular opinion, like Thanksgiving food is not my favorite. I just like don't like turkey. But anyways, let's go make some lunch and be productive. Hello guys, so it's the next day and I wanted to go ahead and wrap up the vlog, so thank you guys so much for watching. Also, thank you again to imethod for sending me those eyeliners. If you guys want a pair, I will leave all of the information linked down below so you guys can go ahead and pick up one, and if you do, please let me know. If you did, let me know your thoughts. I would love to talk about it in the comments down below, but thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.